Well, the goal I had yesterday was to get this thing running and check to see if I had oil pressure from the dash before I bolt the dash in all the way. That was my goal. I could get it started and it would die, started, die. Then I realized I was having inconsistent spark. So I had a new set of points, condenser, put them in, set them. Got the timing pretty close. It starts right up and runs good. So I got a little bit of water in the block and I want to fire it up. I want to see if I got oil pressure. I know I got oil pressure coming out of the engine, but I just want to make sure the gauge works, and we'll go from there. Let's see if it'll start. That was pretty good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Looks like the temperature gauge is working too. I had it started earlier. Pretty good. I wonder where the timing's set at. Oh, I'm not too far off. Yeah, a little bit off there, but not bad. Get that stuff right. I got the vacuum disconnected off the distributor advance, so I'm gonna see if I can tweak that thing. Okay, I'll make a couple adjustments and we'll try it again. That looks a little bit better. Good enough for now. Temperature gauge is coming up. Oil pressure is still good. All right.